Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make eggs fluffy, only ways. Begin by bringing eggs to room temperature, then whisk energetically until they form thick ribbons that hold for a beat. Next, add a pinch of salt and a splash of milk or water to help steam expand during cooking. Use a non-stick pan over medium-low heat and fold gently, finishing when curds are set but still soft for the fluffiest texture. Start whisking in a wide bowl to trap more air and speed up the process. Whisk until the mixture looks pale and forms slow ribbons, roughly 30 to 60 seconds depending on strength. Add a splash of liquid and 1 pinch of salt while whisking to create steam pockets when cooked. Finish with gentle folding, not frantic stirring, to preserve the air you just whipped into the eggs. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-low and add butter or oil to coat. Pour eggs in and let set briefly, then stir slowly, lifting and folding curds to create airy pockets. Keep the heat low so proteins coagulate gently and stay tender. Remove the pan just before fully set because residual heat finishes cooking, preserving a moist, fluffy texture that feels light on the plate and melts pleasantly in your mouth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.